Don't fall.
She's called Annie or something. What's her name? Iris. Putting you on the spot. So how did you get involved with her project then?
You got hiccups. Maya. Maya. Hello? Are you looking at me? Oh, hello. Do you not like having hiccups, Papa? Hello, beautiful girl. Hello, beautiful girl. Where's Maya?
You can see John in Uncle Vanya at the St James's Theatre, London, on the 8th of October. There you are.
Are you a chunky monkey now? Have you got chubby cheeks? Oh, what's the matter? Oh dear. Do you not like hiccups?